welcome to the King Mom's booth in MOA 2023. First, what I want to introduce is the wood grip for the revolver series. As you see, there's a very classic revolver, but it's the grip panel is made by PVC. If you want to, or ABS, if we want to, right now we have produced this wood grip. That's the solid wood, so you can extend your texture from your make a more extremely real revolver. All right. They will also have the peacemaker wood grip at the same time, so you can grip at all the King Arms revolver series. Next, I want to introduce everyone is our ENG license series, like Strike Industrial SI series. Great look. This handguard is we have from the Strike Industrial license marking. Marking here is engraved laser. It's a marking. Yeah. The special is the BUI system. It's a 14 front side system. That's from the real parts. And also with the fresh hider, you can upgrade it to the tracer and blaster. You have 4 colors, and the magazine is 250 rounds mid cap. Because mid cap is no need to rewinding. It's a double capacity for the normal high cap magazine and mid cap magazine. This newest product, we will release it soon. It's electric trigger, like a vertical trigger, isn't compared to the normal trigger. Yeah, it's vertical. Here it's normal trigger. But also, as same as we have the slim motor, high torque motor, slim grip, make it more like a real texture, and also the same magazine. But the handguard will 4 colors in red, blue, gold, and desert. You have your personnel as you like. See, that's a whole new SI series. The last new product in MOA will be our budget polymer GBB. As you've seen, we have produced the iconic 9N GBB from the Bahrain and the TWS. Right now we have the TWS in polymer receiver. Upper and lower is receiver. No, it's polymer. Full polymer and the polymer handguard for the budget market. It's also compatible with the same magazine, with the 30 and the 50 rounds 9N magazine. Another is popular style and the MK18 style. It's also the full polymer. I will show you how it works. Look, pay attention with the recoil. It's like jump. I will show you the full auto. Yeah, it's heavy, easy to handle, and it's lightweight. Thank you for everyone. Hope you can enjoy our new product in MOA. Thank you for your watching, and we will see you soon.